Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. In today's vlog, I do a mani-pedi. As you saw my before and after, I made a grinder sandwich, which I am obsessed with. Ham, bologna, and cheese with a pickle. And then I decided to go get boba and some sushi, which was absolutely delicious. I love this place. And then I came home and I binged watched American Horror Story Coven for like the umpteenth time. Not too much going on in this vlog. I pretty much just had a low-key weekend and just enjoyed the rent I paid, basically. So, yeah, just enjoy the rest of the video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.